Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of urban commuting with a focus on the Raleigh One Urban-Commuter e-bike. If you're looking for a reliable, stylish, and efficient way to navigate your city, you're in the right place. The Raleigh One is designed with the everyday commuter in mind. Priced at approximately £2,399 or €2,699, this e-bike offers a fantastic blend of performance and practicality. One of its standout features is the removable 360 watt-hours battery, which allows you to easily charge it at home or in the office. This means you can enjoy longer rides without the worrying of running out of power, making it perfect for those who have a daily commute or enjoy leisurely rides around town. What sets the Raleigh One apart is its belt drive system. Unlike traditional chain drives, the belt drive requires less maintenance and is quieter, providing a smoother ride. This is especially beneficial for urban environments where noise can be a concern. Plus, the simplicity of the belt drive means you can spend less time on upkeep and more time enjoying your ride. The hub motor integrated into the Raleigh One offers a seamless and efficient riding experience. It provides just the right amount of assistance, making it easier to tackle those challenging hills or longer distances without breaking a sweat. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or just exploring your city, this e-bike is designed to enhance your journey. While the Raleigh One comes with impressive features, it's worth noting that some additional functionalities are available through a subscription model. This allows you to customize your riding experience further, ensuring that you have access to the latest updates and features that can enhance your urban commuting experience. In terms of design, the Raleigh One is sleek and modern, making it not just a mode of transport, but also a stylish accessory for your daily life. It's built to withstand the rigors of everyday use, ensuring that you can rely on it day in and day out. In conclusion, the Raleigh One Urban-Commuter e-bike is an excellent investment for anyone looking to make their daily commute more enjoyable and efficient. With its removable battery, low-maintenance belt drive, and user-friendly design, it's tailored for the modern urban lifestyle. If you're ready to elevate your commuting experience, this e-bike could be the perfect fit for you. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more tech insights and reviews. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing more exciting content with you soon.